Hey y'all, it's Corey Ashton, and it is another Monday Marketing Minute. Today I want to help you have a better strategic plan for what to actually post inside of Facebook. Some of you might say, well, I really don't know what to post. I don't see the engagement I really want. I don't have a whole lot of people liking stuff. I never get any sales from it. And really, I only go over and post whenever I remember that I should maybe be posting. Well, forget all of that. In 2019, I expect that y'all have a strategy in place, maybe even a writing calendar in place, so that you have some ideas of exactly how you can grow your audience inside of Facebook. And I want to go so far as to break it down like this. I want y'all to have what type of posts you should be actually putting inside of your Facebook or any of your social media for that matter. So you see 50% of the pie goes to sales and service. I want you to be talking about what you do. Don't just post that you guys had a great Thanksgiving together, or it was a great New Year, or it's so-and-so's birthday in the office. Those things really fall more under the reveal pie here, which is revealing some of your team and showing how personal y'all are, showing kind of behind the scenes of your inner workings of your company. That's cool to do, but it certainly should not be the end-all be-all of what you're posting. I do want you to be asking for people to engage with you. Buy now, call today, call for a free quote, click here to learn more. Whatever that looks like, I want you to be engaging there. 30% of the pie, I want you to be doing education, which means you're explaining something. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're a foundation repair company and you want to be posting on Facebook. This 30% of the pie would be educating people on what to do to improve their foundation, maybe how to lay out soaker hoses, when to run them, even if you're on water restrictions, right? Or maybe it can also be what to look for outside and inside your homes or your businesses. These things are educating your customers. These things are the ones that you can be using quick videos on, quick little blog posts that you've written. You're talking about it here on Facebook and you're asking them to click to learn, to see pictures, to engage with you, get over to your website. Remember, everything you're doing here is to drive traffic over to your website and get them to convert, whether that's calling your phone number, filling out a form, buying a product, whatever that looks like. All of these things play into that. And of course, there's also the giveaway. These are going to be actual giveaways, whether you're doing a promotion, you're doing a 10% off. Talk about your sales, put them in there, and actually run giveaways to challenge people to share, like, and engage with you. I know this is going to improve your marketing all the way around. Whatever you do, don't post blindly or don't post every other 3 months. You need to have a strategy in place, and this can be helpful. Hope you're having a great one. I'll see you next week. Bye, y'all.